Inside your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga. This is the blues I'm playing. Congratulations. It's the motherfucking Chasers. Yes, it's a
YouTube. What up, though? Welcome back. Welcome back. Said that right there. So, headed out to work today, and they canceled my job today due to the weather. So, due to the weather, I still can't work on my car. But it's all good. So I gotta find some way to give you guys some content, make some content happen, something. So I'm gonna try a little something, or do a little something to make this happen, make it work. So what I'm gonna do, all I have is that flywheel. So I guess today I'll be putting a flywheel pallet burn in. Something for you guys to view, watch, see, if you're interested in. Like I said, just a little content. Oh, if you haven't, please comment, subscribe. I appreciate you. You do me very well. And thank you. Before and after. So, let me go ahead and grab these items real quick. Also, I'll double check that pallet burn. Make sure it fits the shaft of my transmission. So, let's go ahead and bust this open. Did have the time to go and check that pallet burn to make sure it is the proper size, the proper fitment for the input shaft of the transmission. Also, while I'm right here, I just want to go ahead and thank the guys that I was speaking with and writing with on Facebook about the 4-puck clutch without the springs, springs inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try out, see if I like it or not, and hope for the best. Yeah, because what I had read online is that those particular clutches like that are for racing without any spring, just go. As some said, just go. Let's get that out of there. Okay, so from my understanding, you won't need a lot of tools. Hammer, mallet. This is a 22 socket. Let's see if we can get this pallet burned in this flywheel. I don't believe there's any wrong way of putting this in, but let's get to it. So, all right, so let's go ahead and get this quick wipe down. This is just the back of the flywheel. I don't think it really have any problem being dirty or whatnot, but still, cleaning this is part of your bill at any time, any installment. Just go ahead and give everything a quick little wipe over. let's get to it. So let's place this pallet bearing right in the center. Like give it a little wobble back and forth. If I can get it to sit down up in there. And from the look of it, got it up in there. 22 socket. You probably could go a little bigger, just a tad bit, and be fine. 22 sets right on the edge of the silver part, just before the burn, for the race. Go ahead, just give it a couple of taps. You definitely want to double check to make sure it's kind of going in even. If not, then you want to take it on the outside of where it's hard. Setting up a little high on this side here, so flip it over, turn it over, right back to it. All right, so that is not evening out for me. Go ahead and pop that back out. Make sure you check. Keep it even. Just a couple of more love taps and I have her up in there. Yep, coming along. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's almost sitting right on the edge of that lip. Just get her down in there. we go. Complete installment of pallet burn. It's now in there. Just give you guys a quick little close-up. It's definitely setting in the groove. There's a groove right on the edge of there. Right on the edge. If the pallet burn wasn't already in there, you'll see it's a lip that will stop it from coming out on the front side. And there you go. You have a little lip here on the back side. Let you know you're down in there. Like I said, want to check it. Make sure she's smooth. She's not sitting up. Other than that, just a little something to throw out there. Little content. Try to keep my videos coming and going. Do appreciate you guys that are watching, that come through, stop by, comment, don't comment, whatever you do. I truly appreciate you. But if you can, all I ask is to smash that like button, which is that thumbs up, you know. And if you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing. Appreciate you guys. You guys come past again or check out some of my previous videos. And yeah, just once again, just throw up a thumbs for me, yo. You know what I'm saying? You ain't even gotta subscribe if you don't want to, but give me a good thumbs up. Appreciate you. Other than that, till the next time, thanks for watching. You guys be safe out there.